to the Knitty Kitties channel. I'm Any Art Netty. Now in this video I'm going to be doing what I bought from Wool Warehouse. Now recently they've been advertising their glow-in-the-dark yarn. I'm already a fan of glow-in-the-dark yarn, especially for Halloween things, and with Halloween coming up. I got these as an early birthday present off my partner. Now everything comes in these lovely organza bags. I do like Wool Warehouse, and I do like a local shop which I've done a video about. I'll put a card for you to go and click on that if you want to see it. Now let's have a look at it. Usually I get this off Amazon and it is quite expensive sometimes, but this is currently on offer at Wool Warehouse under their Yarnsmiths brand, and it's 50 grams. It's 100% polyester, and as you can see it's made up of several fibres, and you should do it apparently on 5mm knitting needles or a 3mm crochet hook, and it gives you the tension there, which is very important. If you do it on a smaller hook, you do tend to get a lot of hoops with this coming off, but this feels a lot different than the one I usually get. It feels a lot softer, you know. Now that is a fantastic price for glow-in-the-dark yarn. As I say, it's usually quite expensive, and I usually get it off Amazon, so I'm pleased they punch it up. What a lovely present as well. So yeah, over the moon with that. Now then, let's go on to this big one. Now I'm doing is I'm making a fallout blanket for my partner. If I show you, it's corner to corner. I won't be able to lift it, but I'll put a picture on the screen of where I'm up to, and I underestimated how much blue I needed, and yeah, so I've done this much. Basically what happens is you work from that bottom right hand corner on any cross stitch pattern. This is the cross stitch pattern I'm using. As you can see, it's a Vault Boy, and he's doing the pose, the most recognisable one. So that's just one stitch that you start in the bottom right hand corner, and then work diagonally in rows like this. So this is as far as I've got, and I ran out of blue at this point, unfortunately. So a lot of what you'll see is blue yarn for this particular project, but it's again such good value, and at this moment in time of recording they have a lot of stuff that's on sale, and especially for the glow in the dark, it's like nearly half price, I'm sure. But yeah, there we go. So that's my current project, what I am working on now. One yarn I'm partial to, I just want to put a piece of cloth down. One moment please. Now one brand I'm particularly partial to is this Cabaret Double Knitting Stylecraft. They do give you a free pattern on the reverse, and they do tell you how many balls you will need to complete that project. This is called Underwater Rainbow, and it's gorgeous. It's got, see, flecks of blue, silver, gold and pink in it. It's a 98% premium acrylic and 2% polyester. It's all the washing instructions there. I usually knit with this. I don't think I've ever crocheted with it. I don't think so. But yeah, I got that. I think it had disappeared. Some of the shades have unfortunately been discontinued, as far as I was aware. It is quite an expensive one, but it's so nice. So I got it in the Underwater Rainbow. Also, while they were there, I got them, this is actually just called Rainbow. So I got three of them. Again, there's another, I think it's the same pattern, to be honest with you. Stylecraft makes such good yarn, and it's good quality too. And this cabaret one has got blue flecks in it. It's so nice, honestly. It's such a lovely yarn, I love it. And as for blue, so this is for the Vault Boy blanket. It's in Yarn Smiths, and it's made in Turkey, as most yarns are. You can see it's Wool Warehouse's own brand, and I highly recommend Yarn Smiths. And you know what, it's never gonna go off, is it? So hopefully, I've got my fingers crossed that this is enough to complete the project. I hope. So yeah, it is royal blue, this particular shade. There's lots of different shades. It's 100% acrylic, which it will knit to most Aran patterns, and I'm using crochet with this. Obviously it's a crochet blanket, so fingers crossed that is enough of that colour, I hope. Only time will tell. Now, I seem to have run out of blue yarn, and I got some more Stylecraft, again, one of my favourite brands. 100% premium acrylic, and this is in cloud blue. I also got one of their Aster shades, and also denim, and they're really nice quality actually. So acrylic I find brilliant because you can wash it. You just wash it very low and put it on a low heat, and it's made in Yorkshire as well, so that's nice to see it actual, you know, British industry, because usually it's Turkey. Oh, another cabaret one. While they're there, get them. This is in Rainforest. And again, absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. Gold flecks going all the way through. So nice. And I wanted to try chenille for the first time. I've never felt... Oh, it's not bad actually. I was kind of dreading how chenille would feel texture-wise, because it's not one. It's one I've kind of avoided. I don't like the feel of cotton wool, and I imagined it to feel like that, but it doesn't. Thank goodness. I am hoping to make a Charmander with this. It's so nice actually. It's more akin to velvet than cotton, which I'm down with that. Again, Yarn Smiths, brilliant, 100% polyester, and the shade of this is Carrot, and I'm going to turn it into, hopefully, if it works, a Charmander. So I've got it in that carrot shade. I got it in, oh, it's so much nicer than I thought it was going to be. Bright red. Maybe different chenille brands differ, I don't know, but there was something about the look of it that I've never been keen to try it, but I've seen a lot of crafters using chenille and like, it can't be that bad, and thank goodness it isn't. And primrose yellow. So there we go. That is my haul from Wool Warehouse. Highly recommend it. Make sure you go and look for discount codes and whatever you can. Also, what I love about, and just for the sake of saying I'm not sponsored or affiliated, not asked me to do this, it's just I talk about what I'm passionate about, and one of those is Wool Warehouse. What I like about them is you can choose between 4 different couriers to send your items you've ordered to you, which I think is brilliant. Sometimes you don't get the option of choosing who you want to, so hats off to them, brilliant. always beautifully packaged. It's exciting to open it and see it. And you don't have to have the organza bags, but I find it brilliant, especially when, you know, you're sending a gift to someone or whatever and you can put it in that. And it just feels a lot cleaner, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.